This is Artem's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The distance between a CEO's vision and an engineer's reality has never been wider. Today, we are looking at a world where the rush to AI is breaking companies from the inside. Meta has become the industry's cautionary tale. Mark Zuckerberg is pushing an AI crusade that has effectively turned high-paid software engineers into data labelers. The company is even tracking every keystroke and mouse click to optimize tokens. For performance reviews, this obsession with quantity over quality had a real cost. It led to a massive Instagram outage where an AI support tool essentially unlocked the front door for hackers by sending verification codes to attacker-controlled emails. While Meta burns through human capital, a small team at Sina Weibo just proved that brute force is not the only way forward. Their Vivtinker model has only 3 billion parameters, yet it matches flagships from Google and OpenAI in complex math and reasoning. This suggests a new theory called the parametric compression Capri hypothesis. It argues that reasoning is dense and can be compressed. Knowledge, however, is expansive and requires massive size. We are entering an era where a laptop can handle the logic while the cloud handles the facts. A smart model is useless without a stable place to work. Databricks is addressing this with LTAP. This architecture merges transactional and analytical data into one layer so agents can reason over historical context and leave data simultaneously. Tailscale is adding the safety rails with Aperture. They argue that agents need boring infrastructure. This means robust identity management and sandboxes. Without these boundaries, a rogue prompt could easily expose internal credentials. This technical scramble is happening just as regulators are moving from principles to enforcement. The Appia Foundation is now trying to turn vague AI laws into actual technical checklists. It is a critical step toward digital sovereignty. This is especially urgent as the G7 discusses US export controls on advanced models. The goal is to ensure that European companies can verify their systems. The through line today is the battle between scale and precision, whether it is Meta overscaling its workforce into a labeling machine or Weibo compressing reasoning into 3 billion parameters. The industry is realizing that bigger is not always better. The real winners will be those who pair compact intelligence. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.